Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM6. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Thermomix TM6 won't turn on, you're not alone. This issue can be frustrating and may stem from a variety of problems, such as a faulty power supply or internal component failure. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and expensive. To tackle this issue, you will need a few tools, a screwdriver set, a spudger, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement power supply if necessary. Ensure you have a suitable workspace and good lighting. To begin, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Start by gently prising open the device using a spudger, taking care not to damage the plastic clips that hold the casing together. Once the casing is removed, locate the power supply unit, which is typically situated near the back of the device. Look for any visible signs of damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. To extract the power supply, carefully disconnect the cables attached to it, taking note of their positions for reassembly. You may need to unscrew a couple of screws securing it in place, so use the appropriate screwdriver and apply gentle pressure to avoid stripping the screws. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the faulty power supply is removed, replace it with a new one, ensuring that all connections are secure and correctly positioned. Reassemble the device by carefully snapping the casing back into place, making sure all clips are aligned. Finally, plug your Thermomix back in and check if it powers on correctly. If it does, congratulations! You've successfully repaired your device. To prevent this problem from recurring, ensure that your Thermomix is kept in a dry environment and avoid overloading the device during use. Regular maintenance can also prolong its lifespan and help you catch any potential issues early on. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.